Okay, let's edit area layers. This tutorial is going to cover more than you need for your project, but I think it's useful for you to know. So, first thing, we have our layer open. First thing we're going to see how to edit is the data behind the layer. To do that, we can do in the same fashion we edited the line layer, and to see the data associated, you can just click on this link. Here is the data, our database, and we can edit the fields themselves by coming to data view, modify table, and add fields and drop fields, change types of fields, whatever we want to do. Right? This layer already has fields that you're gonna work with in the future. I'm gonna drop them just to not confuse anybody, and that's it. Okay. We can also change numbers just by typing. Let's say this, let's keep it sorted. Let's say this guy, for example, is wrong. It's not 5,000. It's 50,000. Somebody typed it wrong. Or this guy is actually 2. Or this guy is actually 185. We can do whatever we want. The second possibility of editing is physical editing, right? So, and to edit it physically, we can come in tools, and map editing toolbox, or just press F10. This little guy's gonna open. Let's see first how to add an area. You can add area by clicking here, and let's say this is an area adjacent here. It's like that, and everything is highlighted. All the lines are touched. The whole structure is highlighted. Press green. Okay. Or I can just delete this area or any other area. I click here. Press, oh no, it's not this one. Press red. Nothing goes. Press green. And there's no control. Oh, there is Control Z here. I'm wrong. So there is TransCAD 5.0 does have a Control Z and undo. Okay. We can change the area. Let's say we want to change the shape of the area. We want to this is interesting. Let's suppose we have rivers. I'm gonna simulate a line layer. Let's call it rivers. Let's say we have a set of rivers in this area that we want to divide the areas, all the TAZs according to the rivers. So, okay, rivers, F10, oh, F10 again. So I'm gonna, let's say we have a river here, we have another river here, another river here, and another river there. Very simple. Let's go back to our TAZ. F10. So we have our here. So let's say I want to everything that is divided by this river here. I want to I don't want one area. How do I say this? Okay, I don't want one TAZ to be to have areas in both sides of the river. So this, just this field, and say that. Okay, first we have to come here, rivers, and here, screen. And let's say that this river for me is critical too. Now I'm gonna just hide rivers. See that it divided the area. So everything that was cut by those two rivers were cut, or are now distinct areas, right? So we could use that criteria. We could use those lines. These are actually usually the methods used to edit area layers. You're not going to use all these for your CE 123 project, but it's good to know if you ever go to work with TransCAD and practice. Good luck.